Hi everyone, this is Yuka, an illustrator from Japan. Today, I want to share a process of creating this illustration, process of drawing this illustration while watching a video of me actually drawing this illustration. Well, it feels a bit embarrassing watching myself in a video, but let's get started. Yeah, I always start drawing from the face, then comes the nose and eyes and eyebrows. I draw the mouth whenever I feel in mind. Well, once the face is done, I draw the body. When imagining what pose the character is in, I find it really helpful to think about how would I pose if I was in this character. For example, in this illustration, this guy was doing like this pose because I thought if I was in this character, I must feel I am just so scorching. I am in outside of very scorching and humid climate in Japanese summer, and he's still feeling hot, but he's wearing yukata and there's summer flowers and it must feel so comfortable. So he's just doing this, oh I am so hot and flowers wearing yukata, so must be comfortable and doing this. Well, using the G pen, it's so actually surprisingly difficult, and I've been practicing it for 3 months now, but still I found so challenging it. The trick of using G pen is not moving your G pen to everywhere, it's just moving your paper and trying to just draw lines from top to down, and if you are right-handed, from left to right, and it makes it so much easier. Well, I love flowers, and on my Instagram account, I put a lot of pictures of flowers I found in Japan, and also my my mom's garden. It's so beautiful and I put their pictures too. So if you are interested, I hope you'll just follow my Instagram. Drawing flowers took the most time as I am not as accustomed to it as drawing people. From here, I may erase my pencil sketch and add some black. Once I've done with drawing shadow paintings, I will do the solid black painting. Alright, this is about it today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you liked, I hope you will subscribe my channel and see you next time.